Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide apps on iPhone and iPad without using any software or Cydia. We are going to use two methods, so without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first method is tap and hold on the empty space on your iPhone home screen. Now tap on these dots. On the next page, we have to uncheck any home screen and that will be disappear from your iPhone. Now I'm going to show you the second method. We have to launch settings first, then we have to tap on screen time. Next we have to tap on content and privacy restrictions, enable content and privacy restrictions and tap allowed apps. Now disable apps. Now go to iPhone home screen and these apps will disappear from your iPhone. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.